Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by retrieving the 48-digit Bitlocker recovery key. This is the single thing that will unlock the drive. Once you have a second PC or phone, sign into your Microsoft or Azure AD account, find the matching key ID, and copy the 48 digits exactly. Make sure the laptop remains on the Bitlocker recovery screen while you do this. Do not reboot. Once you have the key, you will enter it on the Dell recovery, prompt to unlock the OS drive, and proceed to repair. Now you unlock the drive. Type the 48-digit recovery key into the Dell prompt. Pace yourself and use the key ID to confirm it's the correct key. If the GUI fails, boot to Windows Recovery Environment, open Command Prompt, and run Manage BDE Unlock C. Recovery password followed by the key to force unlock. If it still rejects, pause and verify every digit, then reboot into BIOS to ensure TPM and Secure Boot are enabled. Bitlocker ties to TPM, so these settings matter for acceptance. Once the drive is unlocked, suspend protection or decrypt to prevent immediate relock. Run Manage BDE Protectors Disable C for a temporary suspend, or Manage BDE Off C to decrypt. Then back up the recovery key to your Microsoft account, export any TPM logs, and update BIOS or firmware to prevent recurrence. If something goes wrong, check the key ID against your saved key and retype carefully. If the key still fails, stop and contact IT or Dell support before attempting data-destructive recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.